Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Beats Studio Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write Beats. Now search. And you should install the application what called Beats. Now open it, agree, scroll down and agree. I'm going to not send it, but it's up to you, you can also send. Then let's give this location permission, so right here we have location while using the app. Also we need to use nearby devices, but it will ask you later, I guess. Yeah? Did we have it? Okay, allow. Bluetooth and allow. But you can also in this previous window allow it. So it's up to you. Then you can click connect. And that's it. In the next video I'm going to show you how to add this earbuds headphones to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!